today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 339 different strategies with 110 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 237 of the other strategies that we put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,026 indicators, with 428 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, losing trades, fix this now. Little bit of a weird title, but basically they're saying if you have losing trades, then you can fix it using these indicators, I suppose. And so we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy and see if it can, in fact, be a profitable strategy. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add is going to be the GDAXEMA cross, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And we will leave this one on the default settings. Now I take that back, jump into the styles and turn off the EMA 12 and the EMA 26. Everything else stays on the default. Oh, you can change these right here to crosses. I believe originally they are circles. And so you can go ahead and change those to crosses as well. Then everything else stays on the default setting. And the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the 10 in 1 different moving averages. This one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one. And under the MA1, make sure that's set to EMA and 45 period. EMA or the MA2, make sure that is set to EMA as well, and a 90 period. And then lastly, the MA3, make sure that's an EMA also with a 300 period. And then jump into the styles, and you can turn these three moving averages to whichever color you wish. But what you'll want to do is go in and the MA3, bump up the line weight quite a bit. I put it on the number 3 line weight. The MA2, I put it on the number 2 line weight. And the MA1, I put it on the lowest or the thinnest line weight. And then click OK. That just helps you to identify better which moving average is which. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for the moving average first and foremost to be in a bullish position. And so basically what that means is that the thicker line is on bottom, the middle medium weight line is in the middle, and the thinnest one is on top, like this here. So they're basically stacked on top of each other, like I said, in the bullish type setup. Then what you're looking for is a cross to appear underneath one of the candles, like this here. I left the bar coloration on because you can see that it does turn blue when you get a cross underneath the candle. That means that it is a long signal. And then lastly, you want price to be trading above all the moving averages, just like this here. And so when all those line up, that will be your signal to then enter into a trade. Put your trade right there. Put your stop just right below the last kind of swing pivot right there, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And very quickly we make this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the moving averages to line up in the bearish position. And as you guessed, it's the opposite of the bullish. And so we have the thicker of the moving averages on top, the middle one in the middle, and the thinnest one on bottom, like this right here. And then what we're looking for is a cross to appear above one of the candles, and that candle will turn red like this right here, showing that that cross has appeared. And lastly, we want price to be trading below the moving averages, just like it is right here. And so once all those line up, that will be your signal to enter into a short. You're going to put your trade right here, stop right above this swing pivot right here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like last time. All right, let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit, it just kind of stalls out there for a second, makes this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 40% win rate. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, your total gain would have been $1,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $1,200. That would have put you at exactly break even, not including any commissions or any spreads or fees associated with taking the trade. So most likely you'd have been down a decent little amount of money. So definitely not a great trading strategy. I'm not sure if it's going to help you kill those losing trades or fix those losing trades as the source video says. Compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 47 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 10 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 78% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $10,200. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex Indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable trading system. Recently, we've also developed a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades taken using that strategy here on screen now. So some really decent results. If you're interested in viewing the video on that, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.